Hello, today I'm going to do an intro to Hest Bank level crossing in Hest Bank in Lancashire, just north of Morecambe. This is probably one of the most scenic crossings in the UK, as you can see, right on the seafront. I'll just... There we are, recentered, that's better. Yeah, it's one of the most scenic level crossings. Right, hopefully this won't activate, it's not due to, so LEDs. Do not trespass, penalty £1,000. That is the smallest sign I've ever seen for that. Anyway, LEDs. Oh, I can't see that. I think it's wire. XPS barriers. With 123.5 weights on that one. Let's cross over. Concrete crossing floor with the spiky anti-trespass rubber stuff. Let's say YN XPS barrier with 123.5. Yod alarm. The yod alarms on this are actually quite loud. Another LED wigwag. Hest Bank level crossing. There is a footbridge here as well, concrete footbridge, but one of the legs has started crumbling, so they've put this scaffolding around it. It's been like that for quite a while though. I don't know if they'll do anything proper soon. Right, let's cross over. Danger overhead live wires. This is on the West Coast main line, so it is very busy. Another XPS barrier with 123.5 weights. Concrete crossing floor with rubber spiked anti-trespass. Another XPS barrier, ZN, just about made out. Another yod alarm. Up there, Hest Bank level crossing frame. Signal box now just has CCTV cameras inside. It's a bit peculiar, but hey ho. Floodlight and manometer. With also floodlighting and CCTV. Right. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.